The first thing I'm going to do is reduce these very tall branches and cut them down to about there and start again. You can see how long these branches have become, and there's another one up here, so we'll cut this back as well, and there's two of them. I will be propagating these and making more plum trees out of them, and there's a third one here which needs to be cut down, and this one again we'll prune it back to there. The tree is in flower, and I think that's as far as I want to go with the pruning. Also tidy up, remove some of these dead stubs, and we will close in. That's a close-up of some of the flowers on the tree, and I'll try and zoom in a little bit more. I have bare rooted the tree, and they're quite sort of thick roots. There's few thick roots, and also I need to level it up for it to set in the pot properly. So I'm going to remove these thick roots. This one will be removed from here. So it's quite thick. It's gone downwards and then started to go round. And same thing with this taproot here. It's going straight down. So we'll take that out. There's that one here, and also this one. Let's tidy it up a bit more at the bottom. Straighten it up, and then I'm going to reduce these. There's again roots going downwards, quite thick, so they will be removed. There's another thick root here, very thick. This root here, I'm going to remove that. I'm going to find it. Just tidy up so that they're all in radial fashion. Right, okay, that's at least a bit better. And then just remove some of these roots up here. And this is too high up, so this will have to come off. Clean it up with a knob cutter. And again, there's another soft thick root coming out from here, so we'll take that out as well. That one there. I think that's enough for now, and we'll start putting in the pot. It looks like something was removed from here, but we'll leave that as it is. So the pot is ready, and I'm going to use this pot. It's partially glazed, and I think it will suit the tree with sort of lighter, slightly bluish, greenish and brownish at the bottom. And we'll start repotting it. It's starting to rain, so I'll have to speed up a bit. Now, I think that will be the front, so we will repot it like that. should do. Now to secure it, I'm taking it around the side so where it can be sort of hidden from view. But we'll continue. I've secured the tree and the wires are all tightened up, the anchor wires, and just drive the soil in between the roots and remove any air pockets. And I'll carry on with this and we'll catch up shortly. Well, that's the repot done, and I will now go and give it a quick soak and be right back. Well, it's all done, and I'll give it a quick turn, and it's quite an improvement from the plastic pot into this first bonsai pot. And that is my front. Thank you for watching, and for those of you who are new here, please hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell and tick the box and save, and then you will receive notifications of all my new uploads as they happen. This is Iqbal Khan for Mick Bonsai in West London.